Hey guys, welcome back. In the today's session, let us understand the importance and usage of the filter function in DAX. So basically, say for example, if you look at the canvas, I have various product details over here. I have product 1, product 10, product 100. I have all the total 100 products are there over here with respect to their corresponding sales. For example, if we are looking for a corresponding, say for example, if you're looking for the product 15 sales out of this 100 products. In such type of scenario, we use a filter function. Say for example, if we require the sales for only product 15 or only product 17 or only product 45, anything as such. If we are explicitly looking for any one particular component in the entire column in a data set, in such type of instances, we use a filter function within the metric result. Say for example, we require the total sales where product name is equivalent to product 15 or product name is equivalent to product 17. All right. So now let us go ahead and try it out. Let's go here under key measures. Let us create a new measure called as right click, new measure. Let us name the measure as I would like to calculate product 20 sales. Okay. So product 20th sales is equivalent to, we already have total sales in place, so we can make the use of it. So we use calculate function, and over here we use calculate total sales, comma. See, if the moment if I'm using calculate over here, after writing an expression, by default the Power BI intelligence reflects me that we need to specify the filter function after this. So the intelligence is so powerful that it itself is evaluating and giving us an option of filter function. All right, guys. So we can use filter function after that, and we can use the ABS, we can use all function, we can use all cross filtered, all except, we have many functions over here. So it is just giving me like what is the expression that we would be using. So it is giving us various options, but we will be using filter of function over here. That's why we are filtering it with respect to product 20, right? So filter, so we are using filter, and the base table will be, table for us is products, right? That's where we get the product name from. So under products table, I would be getting it from product name. So product name is equivalent to product 20. So make sure that you have double quotes set in here. Product 20. Let us make sure that extra spaces are removed off. So now let us close the filter function. Let us close the calculated function. So basically product 20th sales is equivalent to, we calculate total sales and we filter the product table with respect to the product name, where product name is equivalent to product 20. As simple as that. So the product 20 sales is equivalent to 2.20. All right. Say if I require that result explicitly, just like total sales in the card visual, then what we could do is we could just use a new card visual and check whether we are getting the right value of product sales. Product 20 sales, and we have 2.20. So our answer is absolutely right. So product 20 is equivalent to 2.20k. So that is 220k, not 2.20k. So this is 220k. This happens to be comma. I read it as period. Okay, so product 20 is equivalent to 220k, and 220k is our right answer. All right, guys. So that's how the filter function becomes very important. It helps us and it enables us to filter out a particular component in the entire column present in the data set. All right, guys. Hope you guys are clear. Keep on your practice, guys. In the next session, let us understand the importance of all function. Okay, guys. Till then, happy analyzing and take care.